Alright guys, today we're going to go ahead and do an iPhone 7 camera replacement. When we're actually in the middle of trying to take a picture, the camera basically just vibrates. So the module's gone bad. We're going to go ahead and replace it with a brand new one. And this is how we do it. So first off, we're going to start off by taking off the bottom two screws. I've already taken one out, so the next one I'm going to be taking off. Alright. All the newer iPhones have adhesive all around the edges and basically makes it a little bit easier by warming it up. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my heat gun, set at 150. Again, we're not going to heat it up to 150. We're just going to make it nice and toasty and basically warm all the way around the edge. Alright, I'm going to use my handy duty pry tool. Okay, and basically gently start prying all the way to the edge. Okay, almost done, guys. Alright, so the connections are on this side of the phone. You basically want to, once you get it loosened up all around, you want to basically pop from the top. And basically open up like this. Once you get that going, I'll get close up. You want to remove two screws up here that are holding this plate down, and these three screws that are holding this plate.
Sorry guys, I meant four screws.
Before you remove the screen, disconnect the battery. The battery connection is going to be right around here. Okay. Try one. Whenever I do these repairs, guys, I basically line up the screws exactly how I'm taking them out, and that's how they're going to go right back in. You want to really be careful where you put the screws back. If you put them in the wrong hole, there is a chance you might damage the motherboard. And on the iPhone 7s, most of the time when you take that plate off, the battery actually disconnects with it because it's stuck to that plate. So that's that, and then we'll take off the top here. Put it in the camera, guys, I'm sorry. Alright guys, that's out. Battery's disconnected, so I'll disconnect all these cables here. Okay, and we're all good to go here. All right, guys, camera's very easy. This is the module here. There's 2 screws on the top left and bottom right corner, and the connector is plugged in right here. I usually use my fingernail to disconnect it, or use a plastic pry tool. All right, guys, that's the camera module. We're gonna grab another one and replace it. We'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. So basically, we're gonna go ahead and put the camera back in. This is the replacement camera. We do pull them from original phones. So it's an original camera from an original phone. There it is. Now we're basically just gonna reverse the steps and put everything back together. So put this plate back in. All right, old camera, leave it for the customer so they can see that we replaced it. And then the screen, basically reverse order. It's a little complicated. I'll try to get the angle best as I can, but I always do the top cable first. Hold at the weird angle. Got a feel for it to line up. Sorry guys, I know when we're doing this for the camera, it does make it a little bit more difficult just because I'm not holding it at the proper angle I'd like. It's comfortable for me, but okay. That was a lot easier when you hold it at the right angle. All right, sorry guys. So connect it there, basically bring down the screen, fold it over, and then the 2 connectors will connect to this connection here. Okay, perfect. Quickly turn it on. All right, guys, I'll wait for the passcode and we'll be right back.
Did I give you a credit card?
Not yet.
How does it work?
Okay, Snapchat looks like it's good. I'm gonna go back to the main camera just to play with it one more time, and everything looks like it's good. It's not shaking anymore.
You
Perfect.
didn't have to replace anything?
I did have to replace it.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah.